Imagine there was a way to drastically boost your energy levels, to boost collagen in your skin and noticeably reduce skin aging, and to also significantly slow down inflammation in your body without any medications or supplements. Now, if you've watched this channel before, you know that I love supplements that have proven anti-aging benefits. They help me feel better and look better from the inside out. There's also red light therapy, which has been around for a long time and has also been hyped for quite a while, and I'm really late to this party. It helps me feel and look better from the outside in, and it is backed by science. Tons of it. You just want to make sure that you're using a high quality red light device. I use this bad boy. I will tell you more about it in a bit. Now, a red light therapy panel is super easy to use. I combine my red light therapy with my evening meditation just to save some time, or I listen to some relaxing music or a podcast, and apart from it making me feel really good, it also helps me fall asleep a lot faster. So I prefer using my panel in the evening. There are two wavelengths. Standard red light, which is 630 to 670 nanometers, and near infrared light, which is 810 to 880 nanometers. Red light affects superficial tissues like skin, while infrared penetrates deeper, reaching joints, which is amazing. And I'll tell you more about my experience with my shoulder pain having gotten so much better in just a bit. Both red light and near infrared light improve cellular regeneration and deliver lasting benefits. Red light therapy stimulates your cell's powerhouses, the mitochondria, which we talk quite a bit about on this channel. That boosts ATP production, which is our cellular energy. And it also reduces inflammation. Since I started using my panel, my right shoulder has become a lot better. It used to act up pretty much every time after a chest or a shoulder workout, which was quite uncomfortable and would last for a few days, sometimes a couple of weeks. But now I barely get any shoulder pain. As soon as it starts acting up, I'll just make sure to really hit my shoulder with the panel. I'll just face sideways, make sure it just radiates toward my shoulder, and it makes a huge difference. So let's take a closer look at each of the benefits of red light therapy. 1. Skin rejuvenation, meaning it boosts collagen and reduces our wrinkles. Red wavelengths can nudge our fibroblasts to make more collagen and elastin, which improves skin firmness and the appearance of fine lines over several weeks. Many people notice a brighter tone and smoother texture with consistent red light therapy sessions. The red light also stimulates growth factors, and it speeds up cell regeneration. This leads to fewer wrinkles, firmer and more elastic skin. Yes, please. Red light therapy is also amazing for lowering inflammation in your joints, and it is also great for wound healing, and we will get to that in a bit. The panel I use and love is from FLIKEZE, and they are awesome for sponsoring today's video. So here's a bit more info on this awesome panel. I love using it. It's called the Spectrapanel Elite 78, and it uses clinically backed red and near infrared wavelengths. So the different modes of this panel are red light mode, which is designed to enhance your skin clarity and boost collagen. This is also for hair growth if used on the scalp. And then the panel has the infrared mode, and this is for deep tissue healing and muscle recovery, which is ideal for alleviating chronic pain and great for reducing inflammation. What's great about this panel, the Spectrapanel Elite 78, is that you can combine these modes. You just make sure they're both turned on at the same time, which is super easy to do, and then you get the benefits of each at the same time. The panel has 7 powerful core chips, and most panels on the market only have a dual chip or 4 chips, and this one has 7. It features 78 LEDs, which do not flicker at all, and you can adjust the intensity, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, or 100%, which is great for starting slowly. At 100%, this thing is really strong and bright. I loved having the option to start at a lower percentage. This panel really offers fantastic value. While some panels cost thousands of dollars, FLIKEZE offers different models at reasonable prices with excellent performance. It has a built-in timer, a pair of protective glasses is included as well. Now, what I love about the Spectrapanel Elite 78 is that it is very sturdy. It's obvious that it's built very well with high-quality materials. It has a super high output without overheating. It's very quiet, and it covers a large area. So you can do a full face, neck, and chest session all at once. And the panel comes completely set up, so there's no assembly needed. So if you're curious about red light therapy or you're ready to upgrade, definitely definitely check out the Spectrapanel Elite 78 by FLIKEZE. The link is in the description box. I also put a discount code in the description box for 10% off for my audience. I'm convinced that it slows down the aging process, and there's plenty of scientific proof that this really is so. A landmark randomized controlled trial published in the Photomedicine and Laser Surgery from 2015 involved 136 participants receiving red and near-infrared light treatments twice weekly. Findings showed significant intradermal collagen increase along with smoother texture, reduced fine lines, and wrinkles. A more recent Lasers in Medical Science study from 2025 investigated the effects of 630 nanometer red light laser therapy on wound healing in mice, but still, results revealed that the treatment upregulated key collagen genes while simultaneously reducing inflammatory markers. By enhancing collagen synthesis and blood vessel formation, the study highlights RLT's powerful capacity for tissue regeneration and anti-aging at a molecular level. So these studies are real-world evidence that strongly supports red light therapy's effectiveness for skin rejuvenation. Next, and this one is huge in terms of life quality, reduced inflammation, and pain relief. Modern medicine pretty much agrees chronic inflammation is most likely the root cause of many diseases, from autoimmune disorders to joint pain and heart issues. Red light therapy acts as a natural switch, downregulating inflammation, promoting genes, while also activating regenerative processes. It is scientifically proven to help with muscle and joint pain, with back pain, rheumatic issues, and inflammation in the skin, tendons, and nerves. It promotes cellular regeneration, and it reduces pain without any side effects. Now, I use it daily, and if I have a stiff neck or shoulder, I will just make sure that the panel is facing that area. Or if I've trained really hard and I'm sore, and I can just feel my body relaxing while I use it. If you have any joint pain, lower back, shoulder, elbow, or hands, red light therapy might not make it disappear, but it could alleviate symptoms a lot, and you might be able to take a lot less medication. I barely take any ibuprofen for my shoulder pain, which is awesome. Next up, improved sleep and mood regulation. Evening red light is non-stimulating, and it may help wind you down by supporting circadian rhythm cues and reducing eye strain from bright white blue light, which we are just being bombarded with all day long. A lot of users report calmer mood and better sleep quality. Most days, I use my panel in the evening, before or after dinner. I'll do 10 or 15 minutes. And like I said, I combine it with my evening meditation, or I just listen to some relaxing music, and it really feels great and prepares my body for sleep. Now, last but not least, this is really great for acne treatment and better mood. Now, I put these two together because they're both benefits of blue light therapy. Most panels only have standard red light and near infrared light, but some more advanced panels also have a blue light option. The panel I use has this feature, and it's great especially during winter when the lack of sunlight can make me feel a bit down, right? I was living in Berlin for a long time, and Berlin winters are no joke. Blue light therapy has been shown to offer significant mood-enhancing benefits, especially for individuals experiencing low energy or symptoms of seasonal affective disorders, right? By mimicking the natural wavelengths of sunlight, blue light stimulates photoreceptors in the eye that influence the brain's production of serotonin and regulate circadian rhythms. This helps promote a more balanced mood, sharper focus, and improved alertness, particularly during the darker months or in low light environments. Now, with blue light, you would do 20 to 30 minutes of exposure in the morning, and that can support a more positive, energized state throughout the day. And now, blue light therapy as an acne treatment. It is best for killing acne-causing bacteria, and it works by penetrating the skin's surface and targeting bacteria in the pores, which reduces inflammation and breakouts. So you can use blue light to target acne bacteria and red light to help the inflamed skin recover. So, to summarize, red light therapy panels can be a low-effort, high-leverage tool for skin quality, recovery, pain, sleep, and mood. Check out the Spectrapanel Elite 78 from FLIKEZE. Link is in the description box. Also the 10% discount code SLOWLY10. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.